Today I want to speak with you how quickly and safe to remove the previous coating.
Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. I'm from Ukraine and welcome to my channel. Here you'll find everything about nails and a little bit about me.
To remove all nail coating, I use carbide nail drill bit with green notch. I always work according to such scheme. I place the nail drill bit with the center horizontally in the apex area and move toward the free edge in one smooth rapid movement. As I am right-handed, I work using forward at a speed of 25,000 revolutions. While removing the old material, it's crucial to check for lifting air pockets under the coating. These must be completely removed. Then I move on to the second zone. I pull back the left lateral fold, turn the finger to the right so that it is convenient to position the drill bit. I remove the material with long quick movements with the nail drill bit chip. Here you can see lifting and it's necessary remove it completely. The third zone is right corner. I'm placing the nail drill bit diagonally and remove the material from the right corner using the cheek of the nail drill bit. And the last one zone. I turn the client's hand away from me and this helps me to work more convenient. I pull back the right lateral fold to remove the material from the ingrown point and use the nail drill bit cheek to remove the material in the cuticle area without any pressure on the nail. After that, I firmly fix the client's finger in hand and remove length on the forward from left to right. I work with the center of the nail drill bit and the position is perpendicular to the free edge. It takes me about 10 minutes to remove previous material and such results I have.
You'll find all the details in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my next videos.